Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your Pinterest application is not working. So no matter what issue you're having, whether it's just not opening or it's not functioning correctly, this video is going to show you exactly how to fix that. So the first thing we need to do is just head over to the Pinterest application. And if you are able to access the application, we just need to head over to our profile icon in the bottom right hand side. Click on your profile in the top left, come down to privacy and data. And we need to scroll down and just select clear app cache. That's just going to go ahead and clear all of your app data, which can sometimes help resolve issues. And once you've done that, we're then going to come back to the previous window. And we're just going to scroll down and hit the log out button here. And then we can try logging back into our account. Now, once you've done that, we're going to head over to the home screen on our phone, come over to the settings window. And from here, we need to scroll down to general, head inside of iPhone storage, and then scroll down to locate the Pinterest application. Once you've located Pinterest from inside of here, just select the app, click on Offload App, and confirm by clicking Offload App. Now this would just go ahead and reinstall all of the important files and data. So it's kind of like having a fresh installation of the app without losing any of your data. And once you've done that, we're going to head back one window inside of General, come up to Software Update. And from here, just check for updates and ensure you are running the latest version of iOS, which is important because sometimes new software releases contain things like bug fixes and performance updates. So just go ahead and make sure you're fully up to date here. And then we can head back over to the Pinterest application and check to see if that's now fixed the issue for us. If that's still not working, another issue could be with your internet connection. So head over to your home screen on your phone and click settings, come over to Wi-Fi, and I'd recommend trying to switch between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data to see if you encounter the same issue using different networks. If you're encountering the issue on both your network and your mobile data, then you can probably rule out your internet connection. The last thing we can try to do to fix this issue should head back over to the settings menu, and at this time we need to scroll all the way down to general, come down once more right to the bottom of this page, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset at the bottom, and this time we're going to press reset network settings. Just follow the steps on the screen to reset all these settings. Now don't worry, all of your personal data will be unaffected by this. It's just going to go ahead and reset some important network settings, and once you've done that, once again we can head back over to the Pinterest application and you can check to see if that's now working. Let me know in the comments if this did or didn't work, and if you did find this video useful, then please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.